Is your production facility operating efficiently? When you're asked to revise your facility's layout to increase production, how do you decide what ideas to put forward? How do you know what impact each alternative proposal would have on your throughput? ProModel AutoCAD Edition is used to model, study and optimize your manufacturing process, using your existing AutoCAD layout generated with Autodesk Factory Design utilities. By visualizing and animating your production process with ProModel inside AutoCAD, you can better understand how your manufacturing process really works, rather than how you've been assuming it works. Using the familiar tools in AutoCAD, ProModel can help you build a digital process model of your facility, using your mechanical equipment designs from your Autodesk Factory Design utility asset library. The animated simulation helps to visualize your current production line process, look for bottlenecks or underutilized machines and resources to better understand how your production facility is currently functioning and what opportunities there are for optimization. ProModel AutoCAD Edition generates your simulation using real-world coordinates. Travel time, the distance between locations, is automatically factored into the simulation. Working directly with your layout in AutoCAD allows you the freedom to quickly conceptualize and test multiple alternative proposals. And when your simulation is complete, the ProModel Output Viewer creates a dashboard of reports to communicate the results that demonstrate your support of your business goals. After optimizing your process, open your 2D AutoCAD layout in Autodesk Inventor to generate an accurate 3D model of your production line. Your 3D model can be used to maximize use of space while preventing installation errors using clash detection. Analyzing the 3D digital model aggregated from 3D point cloud scans and your collaborators' CAD data helps you to avoid costly installation sequencing failures and reduces the need for a contingency budget. Digitize your production facility and turn change from a risk into an opportunity by planning, validating and optimizing your production facility with Autodesk Factory Design utilities and ProModel AutoCAD Edition.